Okay, now let's create a footer menu. So to do that, I will go here and click on the frame, and let's resize this frame like this, and let's make frame width as frame height as 60. And now my plan is to create 3 icons. The first icon is home, and the second one is my orders, and the third one is my reviews. So in this case we have 3 menu items, so let's create 3 of them. First of all, I will get icons for those 3 options. So home, we have home here. I will put it inside this frame, and let's add auto layout to this frame. Okay, now what we have is order. Let's find the icon for order. I will use this teacup icon or coffee cup icon. Then what we need to have is review icon. Let's check and review. Maybe comment. Yeah, comment icon will work. So let's add this comment icon. Okay, now let's change this to fill container and add this one as auto. The horizontal padding will be 0 and the vertical padding be 15. Okay, now we should have text for each and every link. So user should understand the meaning of the icon. So let's create a text, and first text will be home. Let's change it style to paragraph. Maybe we can make it like medium and reduce the font size to 2A. Okay, then highlight those 2 sections and press Shift A to make a auto layout, and the gap will be 15. 15 is too much. Let's make it like 6. Set it center like this. Then width will be half, and let's do same for the coffee icon. So I will just duplicate this one, then cut the coffee icon and put it inside this one, and this. Then here I will change this to orders. Then I will duplicate this one, replace the image, and here we will add this as reviews. Okay, now I will reduce this top padding to 0 and also reduce this bottom padding as 0. Now I will change the fill color to this green color. So we'll do it for this order one and review one too. Okay, now we have footer menu. So this footer menu should be sticky when we scroll the design. In the prototype phase, I will show you how to do it. For now, I will make this footer as absolute position, which means we can put this footer anywhere we want. Actually, we have to add fill color. The fill color will be white, and now we can add it anywhere we want. Also, we have to add some top and bottom paddings. Let's do it 6 and 6. Okay, and I will select the footer section and click on create component and change its name to footer, and I will cut it. Now I will paste it on the sticker sheet like this. Okay, now we have all the design that we can use to convert this to a prototype. So in next lesson we will going to know about the prototyping and follow the best practices to create prototype professionally.